Hello, I'm Howard Middleton. Today I'm in the seasonal spirit and I'm making some show-stopping mince pies. It's a special recipe that will cater for your vegan and gluten-free friends, with an extra optional treat from ActivelyCBD.com, which really is the icing on the cake. For the pastry, you'll need hemp flour. I shocked the judges when I used hemp flour on Bake Off, but it's a versatile gluten-free option. It's a little unconventional, but for me you need to experiment with your baking. You can buy very good pre-made mincemeat from quality supermarkets. Level it off and it's into the oven. Now, if you're over 18 and have spoken to your doctor, you can add some CBD oil into the icing for an extra treat. Start with a small serving, around 4 drops per person. I'm using CBD oil from ActivelyCBD.com. They stock a wide range of quality CBD products, including oils, chocolates and drinks. So home bakers, Merry Christmas, give my recipe a go.